Most men wait for the right moment, wait for motivation, wait for someone to believe in them. But here's the truth they never told you. The truth that gets kept from you until it's too late. No one's coming to save you. No one's coming to do the job for you. No one's coming to hand you the steps, the discipline, the wealth, the masculinity, the power. Your life changes the second you decide you're done being average, not when the world finally notices you. If you want respect, earn it. If you want freedom, create it. If you want power, forge it. If you want wealth, build it. There's no other way. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the signs. Stop waiting for someone to come and save you. You are the storm. You just need to unleash it. You're only promised so many tomorrows, and even that's an unknown. Time compounds everything. Wealth, physique, intelligence, but only if you work on them. Negative habits compound as well, if you let them. So stop waiting for the right time. Just stop and realize the only time is now. There is no tomorrow.